Everyone will die in this world. We are all perishable. The time will come when we shall leave the earth. That is why some of us will speak without fearing anything. Whether they arrest, whether they kill you, whether they poison you, no problem. We shall go, others will continue. But we shall have said what we want to say. So the NRM government does not have goodwill for the people of Acholi completely. And right now I'm telling you, in some radio stations, some of us, they instructed, they do not want to hear those people working in that radio to mention the names of other people in Acholi. Follow the radio stations that we have them. Any news concerning Olanya Gilbert, they will not even play. They were directed and instructed that never mention names of those people. And we don't care. We don't care. I am happy that nowadays the ideas of media system has made the world very informative. Anything you do shall be known. So on Balaalo issues, President Yoweri Museveni does not have any goodwill of chasing away Balaalo from Acholi. He sent his brother Gerald Saleh purposely to console and to contain the mind of Acholi people. I was there personally in Gulu University. When I asked Gilbert Olanya that when are you going to chase away the Balaalo, he told me that, Olanya, you know, we need to wait first. We need to wait the situation. And they had to put some committee to make sure a verification takes place. Verification for what? The way Balaalo came to Acholi, they came to Acholi land illegally. There is no need of making any kind of verification. If they want us to do verification, let all of them go first. When all of them have gone, then we start calling them one by one. You tell us, when did you buy the land? From who and how much? But you cannot come illegally, you settle, and then they pretend that you are verifying. Those people who are verifying, they are only looking for money. They are only looking for money from Gerald Saleh. Some of us leaders, we are looking for position in this government, so that the next reshufflement, you are appointed a minister. There's nothing on that. So there's no need of wasting time that we are verifying. So I would like to call upon the Acholi community. We should stop this kind of nonsense that we are verifying. Verifying who? Those who came illegally, go away first. We shall verify you afterwards. When you complain that I paid my money and my money may not be refunded. So we are being duped, we are being fooled by this NRM government. That is President Yoweri Museveni and his brother Gerald Saleh. So as the Acholi people, we should be very careful. On the land matter, I was told that you ask. It is true, the land which was compensated for Madivani Sugar Factory in Amoro, in Lakang, leaders participated in this process. And money was paid to the leaders. There is no secret here. The first money which was paid, my chairman LC5, Lakon Michael, and Honorable Akol Anthony, they wrote to the ministry that the first payment, government must start by paying them. If government fails to pay them, there will be no compensation and no land given to government in Amoro. And it is true, government started by giving them money. Government gave money to Akol and the LC5 of Amoro. There is no secret here. Immediately they receive the money, then they say, okay, you come, start now compensating people. So our leaders are becoming so greedy. I don't know what is going on. People are not satisfied.
Acholi, Gilbert Olanya, le bambori, Paul Renio, Yak, Irio, le bam, Polotel, Irio.